Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to group devices in Google Home app. Grouping your Google Nest or home speakers and displays allows you to play music synchronously across multiple devices, enhancing your audio experience throughout your home. Now let's walk you through the process of creating a speaker group in your Google Home app. Number one, you have to ensure that your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Google devices. Then launch the Google Home app on your Android or iOS device. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on settings at the bottom right corner. And once you tap on settings, go ahead and navigate to. So from these settings, if you have set up your devices, if you set up devices, groups, and rooms, you're definitely going to find the option here on the settings, devices, groups, and rooms. But I can't find it here because I don't have any device set up, no groups, no rooms. So once you have that, you're going to find devices, groups, and rooms. Now click on it. Once you click on it, go ahead and select speaker groups. Now once you select speaker groups, tap on create speaker group. Now select the devices you want to include in the group by tapping on each one. A check mark will appear next to selected devices. Now tap next. Enter a name for your group like living room speakers and tap save to finalize the group creation. You can only add a Pixel tablet to a speaker group when it is attached to the charging speaker dock. Alright, so how do you edit a speaker group? On the Google Home app, tap on settings and navigate to devices, groups, and rooms again. Head over to speaker groups, select the group you want to edit, then tap on choose devices. Add or remove devices by tapping on them. Tap save to apply the changes. Editing a group that's currently casting media will stop playback on all devices in the group. You will need to restart casting after making changes. And now how do you delete a speaker group? Open the Google Home app, tap on settings, navigate to devices, groups, and rooms, navigate to speaker groups, select the group you want to delete, tap on the delete group option, and confirm the deletion when prompted. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.